Hello everyone, we are team Eclavia, participate in Doppelganger. So this is our website describing our VS Code extension. So here is our seamless workflow. We are first of all the user can install the VS Code from the VS Code only from the VS Code extension section, and can start the typing Azure SDK code, and our extension work with the starting giving the code suggestion and all that, and only the accept key can be accepted by the tab button, and the user have the whole code which is related the Azure services written by the developer. So first of all, you can write code. Context of the code you are writing is detected, and the suggestion are provided where the suggestion is related to the context that you are writing, and you can ignore if you are not pressing the tab button. And here is whole website scenario and all things, and we had implement the reg enhancement for documentation. For the whole Azure documentation, we collect the whole Azure documentation and implement in reg, which can enhance the AI ability to work with the only context given for that, and cannot be hallucinate with anything else. And here is our action. As you can see the action, we can tap button here, and tab, and the code suggested will be enter in your code editor. Okay, and you can press install extension, and you will redirect to our extension. You can install our extension from here. So the problem statement was we want to create the extension provides relevant and accurate code suggestion based on the current context, significantly reduce the need for the developer to manually search for the solution. The extension integrates seamlessly with the VS Code IDE and Azure SDK, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. The backend API efficiently handles the request from the extension and return the code suggestion in the timely manner. The extension is deployed to a VS Code marketplace, and it is installed by the other user. So here is our VS Code extension, Azure AI Code Assistant. So any user can download it from searching this extension. We had upload this extension in the Microsoft marketplace, and let we start this extension. So first of all, let we write something which is not here. So let we write comment for creating an Azure service. Let we write Azure identity. So the code is been suggested here. We can click the tab button and accept the suggestion created by our AI, and here is all suggestion given by the AI only. We can see the code is being suggest from the API which we had deployed, and the all services been created here smoothly, and there is no much latency here. Let we write anything related React form. So here we can see the AI is not suggesting something. So here is our repo. In this we had implement the feature like Copilot-Style Inline Ghost Text Suggestion, Azure Awareness Detection, JS, TX, CH. Like we can use Azure services like storage, Cosmos, and identity key wallet service bus, like that. And we implement the reg pipeline using ChromaDB, and we had embedded services and for the documentation and grounding, and we had suggested clean and deduplicate before display, and quick fix for the automation we are creating here. And here is our project structure and all these things, and we have deployed the image of ChromaDB which was in the Docker, and we had deployed the backend also, and the front end part also we had deployed.